Is your carpet all soiled and dirty? Are you struggling to keep them as clean as you'd like? Perhaps you're looking to get the tough stain out but don't seem to be getting it right. Having a dirty carpet is embarrassing, an eyesore, and a reason for foul smell throughout your home or office. This is why you need our professional carpet cleaning service that will leave your carpet looking like new and smelling fresh. We are a reputable carpet cleaning company with highly experienced technicians who use cutting-edge technology to give you first-class service. We provide you with the safest clean in the industry and will get your carpet cleaned with minimum disruption, so you and your family can get on with your life. Don't let your precious carpet go to waste due to uncleanliness or improper care. Contact us today to get a no-obligation free quote.